The best drink to have every day to rid your kidneys of oxalates and uric acid. Before adopting any natural treatments, consult your doctor first. This video is intended purely for educational reasons. Every day, your kidneys filter around 170 liters of blood to get rid of waste materials like ammonia and urea, as well as poisons like alcohol and prescription drugs. But excessive levels of oxalic or uric acid can cause kidney stones, gout, joint discomfort, and elevated blood pressure. Thankfully, your body can naturally eliminate harmful poisons with the aid of several natural ingredients. In this video, I'll be sharing a simple drink recipe to flush out uric acid and oxalates by helping to clean out your kidneys. Ingredients of the Kidney Cleanse Drink: 1. Raw lemon juice. Juice 1 entire raw lemon and pour it into a large pint glass. Lemon juice contains a lot of citric acid, which is a potent component that increases the alkalinity of your urine and aids in the kidney's dissolution of oxalates and uric acid. Lemon juice inhibits the formation of calcium oxalate or uric acid stones in the kidneys. Vitamin C, an antioxidant that guards your body against inflammation, especially in the joints, liver, and kidneys, is also abundant in freshly squeezed lemon juice. Additionally, lemon juice gives the beverage a deliciously crisp, fruity taste. 2. Water. Fill the glass with 500 milliliters of water, ideally spring or mineral water, in order to avoid concentrated uric acid and oxalic acid. From creating kidney stones or even crystals in the joints that cause gout, water is vital for flushing the kidneys and diluting the urine. As most people with gout or kidney stones are prone to dehydration, it would be prudent to start your day with this very hydrating beverage. 3. Chanca piedra. Then fill the glass with 15 drops of liquid Chanca piedra extract. Grown in the Amazon jungle, Chanca piedra, also called the stonebreaker, is a therapeutic plant. It has been used for generations to treat and purify the kidneys in traditional medicine. The terpenoids and ellagic acid in this plant assist to dissolve kidney stones that already exist and stop new calcium oxalate crystals from developing by breaking the connections between calcium and oxalates. This herb is frequently taken by those who have had kidney stones to stop them from coming again because they may be quite painful. Chanca piedra also aids in preventing uric acid crystallization, which is a typical problem for gout sufferers and occurs in the kidneys or joints. 4. Magnesium citrate. Add 1 teaspoon of powdered magnesium citrate to the mixture after that. Eatables high in oxalates include cereals, almonds, spinach, and sweet potatoes. Oxalates are absorbed in the intestines and make their way to the kidneys, where they may cause kidney stones in certain individuals. But when you eat magnesium citrate, it attaches itself to these oxalates in your stomach, stopping them from entering your bloodstream and ending up in your kidneys, where they might create issues. By aiding in the production of urine and efficient blood filtering, magnesium also promotes kidney health by lowering uric acid and inflammation. 5. Potassium citrate. Next, fill the glass with 1/2 TSP powdered potassium citrate. One of the most crucial minerals for preventing high blood sugar-related kidney damage is potassium. It also aids in the reversal of insulin resistance, which is a major cause of kidney issues. For those who have previously taken large amounts of sugar and processed carbs, potassium is quite beneficial. Kidney stone risk is decreased by potassium citrate's ability to alkalize urine by lowering uric acid and oxalic acid concentrations. Remember, your kidneys only become unable to handle minerals like potassium when they are severely damaged, as in the case of chronic renal disease. Before taking any mineral supplements, make sure to see your doctor if you have chronic renal illness. 6. Apple cider vinegar. 1 tablespoon of raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar is also required. To make this drink, apples and apple juice are fermented, eliminating all the sugar and producing acetic acid. Drinking acetic acid helps your body naturally pass tiny kidney stones that are formed of calcium oxalates, uric acid, calcium phosphate, or struvite by breaking them down. It also lowers inflammation throughout your body. Additionally, Apple cider vinegar possesses antimicrobial qualities that may aid in the healing of kidney infections. Additionally, it's among the greatest natural treatments for guarding against indigestion and acid reflux. 7. Liquid stevia. Optionally, you can add 10 to 20 drops of liquid stevia to your taste. Stevia is a natural sweetener with 0 calories and no impact on blood sugar, making it the perfect addition to sweeten and take the bitterness out of this drink to make it more palatable. How to prepare my kidney cleanse drink. Pour water into a large pint glass, being sure to leave space for the other ingredients. Extract the juice from the entire fresh lemon. Do not use lemon juice from a bottle as it has been processed and loses flavor. Then, add the powdered magnesium and potassium citrate, piedra drops, and apple cider vinegar to the glass. After thoroughly mixing the ingredients with a spoon or stirrer, taste and add stevia drops to adjust the drink's bitterness. It's time to serve your kidney cleansing drink. Using a straw, carefully sip it and enjoy. Permit your body to take in the potent therapeutic nutrients that will help maintain the health of your kidneys. Even one glass of my kidney cleansing drink a day can assist the kidneys eliminate too much oxalates and uric acid, which can help dissolve existing stones and prevent new ones from forming. To get the long-term advantages of this recipe, drink it regularly for a minimum of 4-6 weeks. However, before consuming this drink, do check with your doctor if you have any underlying renal issues or if you're taking medication. Concentrated oxalic and uric acid can be harmful since they can cause crystals and stones to develop. These stones can grow in the joints, such as the big toe, producing gout, or they can harm the kidneys and urinary tubes, causing excruciating agony. This easy-to-make daily beverage helps your body naturally dissolve these acids while enhancing kidney function to aid in their detoxification. It does this by utilizing natural components like apple cider vinegar, piedra, and citrates. Your kidneys may support your overall health far into old age by operating well into your kidneys by drinking only 1 cup each day, in addition to making other healthy lifestyle adjustments. Be sure to consult with your doctor if you're already taking medications to avoid any potential interactions. High levels of uric acid, which cause gout, can be triggered by many different underlying issues. So if you'd like to learn more about this, watch the video that I've put on the screen now. Thank you so much for watching another one of my videos. I wish you great health, wealth, and happiness.